Hi, I'm the Rifter, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Ring Video Doorbell 2. This is not the hardwire version, this is the battery version, because I don't have a wire for a doorbell anymore because I ripped it out a long time ago and I don't feel like climbing back up in the attic to run the wire again. Because I'm lazy, pretty much, but whatever. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take your battery and you're going to want to charge it. Now you have a little micro USB port right here, and just when I got this in, I charged it overnight, hooked it to my computer. When there will be two lights on it, there will be an amber light and a green light. Once the amber light turns off and the green light is on, this battery is fully charged. The next thing you're going to do is you are actually going to take the faceplate off of your Ring doorbell, pull that out, and you are going to insert your battery into the Ring doorbell. I am not going to spoon feed you because if you've got one of these, you are probably at least a little bit mechanically inclined or technology inclined. So I have faith in you. You can totally do this. The next thing you're going to want to do is download the Ring app. So once you've got this app downloaded, you'll have to register for a new account. I'm not going to take you through that because most of you probably aren't dumb and you can read. I mean, obviously, if you got to YouTube, somehow you read, to get there. Or maybe your parents did. But then you don't own a house. I don't want to get into it. So you're going to click Set Up a Device. And let's confirm your address, which I've already confirmed my address, but we'll do it again. Confirm. Yeah, I got it. Okay, so then you're going to select doorbells. Yes, we want to allow it to take photos and videos. Do I have a barcode on the back? Okay. So just scan your little QR code, confirm your address again, select your location, and it's going to tell you to take the faceplate off and insert the removable battery, which we've already done. And then there is a small setup button, which it even has it labeled setup button, believe it or not, right there. All you have to do is press and release that once, and it'll start doing a little dance. And then you'll press continue on the app. Make sure you have your location services enabled before you press continue. And then you're going to select your network that is yours. And if I remember correctly, this only has support for 2.4 gigahertz networks. I don't think it has access to 5, but honestly 2.4 gigahertz is fine for this. So put in your password, click continue. Now this is going to communicate with the doorbell, and it's turning blue, so apparently we're okay. But basically what it's doing is it connected to your phone connected to the doorbell, and now your phone is telling the doorbell to connect to your network. So now the setup is complete. Just click continue. And you can add another user if you want, but I'm skipping this step. I don't need to know how to install the thing because that's what we're going to do now. I'm not going to optimize motion settings right now. Oh my god. Okay, so apparently I am going to optimize. So what I'm going to do, and you really should do this, is check and see. Hey, leave it alone.
No.
I'm trying to do something. Leave. My wife is connected to this. Great. Get off the... Are you looking at my face?
It rang, so I answered.
Well, it's just me. I'm outside. Can you see me?
Yeah. Can you see me?
Can you see this?
I can.
Alright, well, get off this thing, because I'm trying to install this.
Whatever.
Alright, whatever. Love you, bye.
Love you, bye.
That was my wife. So apparently the thing works. There we go. So... oh, that's weird. So what you really want to do is get your phone and put this on the wall and see exactly which way it's pointed. Alright, so the instructions say to mount it up at 4 foot for best results, but I wasn't exactly sure what the view was going to look like, so I just went ahead and checked it. I mean, it's got great coverage, so I'm not really too worried about not mounting it exact. So I'm going to mount it at 4 foot like it recommends. It's got a lot of nice little tools that come with it to help you install it. One nice little custom level, that's pretty nice. There's a little slot on the front. It just goes right in there to help you level it. But I am going to measure up 4 feet. I'm going to mount the bottom of it at 4 foot, which is right there. Just made a little mark with a screw. This thing says to use anchors, but I'm not drilling through PVC molding to use anchors. I'm just going to screw right into it. Trusty Porter cable. Now I'm only screwing these screws in about halfway to begin with. Now don't screw these down super tight because, I mean, you are connected to plastic. I mean, this whole assembly is plastic. If you do over tighten these, you will probably snap this plastic and you will not have a good day. Alright, well, I didn't think that they included a Torx bit, but they did. You just pull that out and it's a Torx bit. Easy enough. So after you put this thing on, click your faceplate into place. Take your Torx screw, and there's a little hole underneath it that you can screw in, and that's just so if somebody tries to come up here and just rip this thing off the wall, it makes it extremely difficult. It's not impossible, but that's another reason why I didn't use anchors, is because I honestly think it's easier to rip anchors out of a wall than it is to just rip bare screws out. I mean, these screws are long enough to where they're going through my molding and they're going through the wooden siding underneath this molding. But now it's set up, it's on the wall. Have fun with it. Leave me some comments if you like this video. Like it, subscribe. Let me know if you like yours. I'll give you a little review of this another day. But anyway, I'm the Rifter. Have a good day.